The science of websites. Web design is not always thought of as a typical science. There are no test tubes or microscopes involved, but the programming that goes into web design is a science just the same. It involves probability, logic, critical thinking, patterns, and a little bit of patience. It's a growing field, not just in its advancements, but in the way we interact with it. For example, the average person spends about 20 hours per week on the internet. That's almost 2 days straight of exploring different websites or online applications. People make these websites a typical part of their daily routine. Checking Facebook, shopping on Amazon, or streaming Netflix are things we don't think twice about. But a lot of people don't know what goes on behind the scenes to make these websites. Most websites you see online are made in two programming languages, HTML and CSS. HTML creates the website's backbone content, and CSS stylizes it. Think about it in terms of a coloring book. HTML creates the lines of the picture, while CSS lets you color them in. In HTML, everything is done with tags. Tags are identifiers that tell whatever's in between them what to be or what to do. For example, H1 tags will tell the words in between them to become a large header, and H6 tags will make a small header. On the other hand, image tags will put a picture up on your website, and A tags will create a link to any other page or website that you tell it to. Canvas tags make a drawing space on your webpage, much like a paint application. Map tags, like their name suggests, creates a map of the specified location on your webpage. Learning HTML is essentially learning about the different tags, how they work alone, and how they can function together to build your website. CSS just piggybacks off of HTML. It uses the same tag names with a different syntax. When you want to change the style of a certain HTML element, you call it in CSS with its tag name, followed by curly brackets. From there, you can change things like size and color. A lot of times, computer science is thought of as a rigid field that strictly focuses on logic and structure. In short, many people find it boring. I think it's important to learn about web design because it shows people what computer coding can really be, a science of art, creativity, and expression. Creating web pages allows not just technical functionality and artistic creativity, but also accessibility of people's ideas to the rest of the world. The products of web design today allow us to connect other people, perform virtual experiments, and stay up to date with the rest of the world. And all this starts with a little dose of HTML and CSS. Thanks for watching.